Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to watch YouTube in car using CarBridge. CarBridge is an amazing app that allows you to effortlessly transfer different apps from your phone to your car's dashboard. With CarBridge, you can watch YouTube or use any other app directly on your car's screen. Before proceeding, let's address two important checks. First, navigate to your device settings and go to General. Tap Background App Refresh and ensure Wi-Fi and mobile data is selected. This setting allows the app to update and function efficiently in the background. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Battery. Make sure Low Power Mode is turned off, as enabling this mode can restrict the app's performance. After completing these steps, you can move on to installing the app. Let's start. Once you have completed the initial checks, we can proceed. Open your browser and navigate to findplugin.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for CarBridge and select it from the results. A detailed page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button, and the system will begin downloading and installing the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If the message doesn't appear, it might mean the server needs updating and additional files need to be downloaded. Don't worry. This step is straightforward, with clear instructions provided on the screen. Once this step is completed, the system will download the necessary files, and the installation will be finalized. I've already installed it myself, and everything works seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. This is the entire process for getting CarBridge on iOS devices. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it and everything is working well for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you and see you in my next video.